Hi guys, welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. How you doing? Me? You know me already. I'm blessed. You? Blessed. Today I'll be making stew peas. Remember my cow foot that I corned and put in the fridge to cure? Here it is. I already took some out and ziplock it, put it in the freezer. So this I'll use to make some stew peas. Yay! It's been in the fridge for over 3 weeks. So today we'll be making stew peas with my cow foot. I'll also add some fresh meat. This is beef shank and salt beef. So this is fully corned. So to remove some of the salt, because you know you can't cook it with all that salt. So remove some of the salt. I'll scald it first. So here's my salt meat. I'll add it. My salt beef. That's my salt meat. Now for my fresh meat. Here it is. One day I'm gonna corn this beef shank. I love using this beef shank whenever I'm making beef soup. Now I'll give this meat a proper rinse. I put all the meats together, the fresh and the salt. So I'm using this red kidney peas, red kidney bean. I'm not measuring, I'm just judging. Some people like lots of peas, some people not too much peas. This is around a good amount. Beans fully washed. And I'll add a few pegs of garlic, about 5 pegs of garlic. Turn the fire on. Some people will pre-soak their beans, like maybe an hour before or overnight. But today I didn't do that. Salt meat is scalding over there. Once it's fully removed some of the salt, I'll add right here. Add it right here. I'm boiling the fresh meat with the salt meat just to give that fresh meat some of the flavor from the cured meat. I want the fresh meat to absorb the salty flavor, but it won't get salt, just the flavor. My peas with the garlic. So now whenever you're cooking red kidney bean, I'm not sure if any other bean is like that, but red kidney bean, I always put it on with just enough water for it to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, if you notice all the beans float to the top, now I'll sink this bean for it to cook evenly. If not, it'll cook and some won't cook properly. You notice some is still floating to the top. And there it is. And to this I'll add a piece of onion. Now I'll turn this off and transfer it to the peas. I hope that pot can hold everything. If not, I might have to change pot. And I might have to change this pot. We'll have stew peas for days. Damn. Wasn't planning on making so much. This is a lot. Add a bit of pimento seeds. I might have to pressure this cold foot because the beef will cook before the cold foot. You know what, guys? I decide I'll throw this cold foot in the pressure cooker to reduce the cooking time, because I know this cold foot is gonna take a little bit of time to cook. Excuse the vent outside, guys, it's windy today. This will pressure for 25 to 30 minutes. Can't see, it's too much steam. Now I'll transfer it back into the main pot. Time for me to season my stew peas. Pepper. Whenever we're making stew peas, we always add a couple rolled dumplings. Not a lot, just a few. And I don't like them too big either. And the fire is on very low. See my spinach dumplings. My stew peas is ready. Time to turn the fire off. Finish. Pow. Stew peas. Me. My stew peas. Me. My stew peas. Me. I'm going to enjoy the stew peas. Wish you'd enjoy it with me. This is a giant pot of stew peas. Who is coming over for some? You're all welcome. Come on over for some. I'll dish out my plate and I will enjoy. Plantain isn't fully as ripe as I would want it to be. Here it is, my stew peas. Wow, my stew peas and rice. There is my corned cold foot that I cured.